Hi guys, and welcome back to this journey towards excellent exam results. In these shorter revision videos, we are going to be breaking down different concepts within the GCSE geography specification. The aim of this is to help us understand the concepts better and to give us the information and confidence we need to answer exam questions. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the past, present, and future trends of urbanization in the world. Which countries are urbanizing the fastest and why? Okay, let's get started. So in topic 3, we are looking at the challenges of an urbanizing world. So we are looking at urbanization and the challenges that presents. So the first thing that we'll be looking at is what the past, present, and future trends of urbanization in the world have been. So we have a map here and we also have a graph that we are going to be using for this particular section. And in 1975, 6 of the world's largest cities were in HICs, as we can see here on this particular map. So 1975 is shown by the blue circles. And if you look at them, most of those countries are actually in the northern hemisphere, which is considered to be, the developed part of the world, and therefore HICs or high income countries. So this was mainly actually the growth of cities here, and rapid urbanization in this particular part of the world was mostly as a result of the Industrial Revolution. So during that time, there was a lot of manufacturing in these areas, and because when you manufacture goods, you then sell them for a profit, those areas actually experienced a lot of growth economically. So currently over 80% of people in HICs live in urban areas. So HICs are a lot more urbanized than MICs, which are middle income countries, and LICs, which are low income countries. And then urbanization in LICs is growing the fastest at the moment, with populations there doubling every 30 years. Only 51.1% of people in LICs live in urban areas today. That is in 2025, which is only half. So means that half of the people living in LICs actually live in the countryside. But this figure here of the people who live in urban areas in LICs is likely to keep growing and to grow a lot more rapidly than in the HICs. So according to this map as well, we can see that only 2 of the world's largest 10 countries will be in LICs this year in 2025. And urban population is therefore growing slowly in HICs and rapidly in LICs. So moving on to the graph. This graph here shows the increasing urban population in different world regions, and it's all the way from 1950 up to 2050. So it's a period of 100 years. And we can see that urban populations have been at over 50% since 1950 in the richest regions of North America, Europe, and Oceania. So the 50% line is this line across here, and you can see only 3 of those regions there have been above that line since 1950. However, their rate of growth, has actually slowed down compared to these 2 regions here at the bottom, which are Africa and Asia. These ones seem to be the ones that are growing the fastest. Africa, for example, at the moment is yet to reach a population of 50% living in urban areas, and while Asia reached 50% population living in urban areas in 2020. However, they are they're the 2 fastest growing regions of the world currently, and this growth has been due mostly to rural to urban migration. We shall be looking at that a little bit later on. That brings us to the end of this video on the past, present, and future trends of urbanization in the world. I hope that you have found the information insightful and useful. I have also put together videos on all the other subtopics within the challenges of an urbanizing world topic. 2 of them will pop up as suggested videos at the end of this one, and the rest will be in the Challenges of an Urbanizing World playlist. Thanks once again for joining in this journey towards excellent exam results. All the best and see you again soon. Bye-bye.